Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here with word games. Today's game is Kitchen. It's an easy game for all levels. Let's begin. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This is something you wear when you're cooking on the front of your body to protect your clothing. And one of the missing letters is an O. Apron. Bob wears an apron when he cooks. You usually put it over your neck and then it covers the front and you tie it in the back. Jennifer always eats her food with a and fork, like this. The K is silent. Knife. She always eats her food with a knife and fork. 1 knife, 2 knives. There are many plates and glasses in the. This is a place where we put plates and glasses. It usually has little doors. And the second missing letter is a U. Cupboard. There are many plates and glasses in the cupboard. You can put something in the cupboard and take something out of the cupboard. Bob will put a on the pot. That's a metal thing for cooking, a pot. And I have one here. Can you see it? It's similar to a top, but we don't say top. Lid. Bob will put a lid on the pot. We are cooking vegetables in the. And I have another demonstration. Can you see this? I have one here. Frying pan. We're cooking vegetables in the frying pan. Bob needs some water. He will turn on the. This is the thing near a kitchen sink that you turn on when you need water. It's also called a faucet. Tap. He'll turn on the tap. Later, he will turn the tap off. They will clean the lettuce with a. Lettuce is a green vegetable. And the answer, I have one here. It looks like this. It has little holes in it. You put the food in here, and then you could pour water over it. Strainer. They'll clean the lettuce with a strainer. Strain is also a verb, so they are straining the lettuce. You are holding a. I have one here. It's not the one that has the pepper. It's this one. Salt shaker. You are holding a salt shaker. We are baking bread in the. This is like a little box that gets really hot in the kitchen for cooking things without water, only heat. Oven. We are baking bread in the oven. And the last one, number 10. You are holding a. Can you see it? It's made of wood, and people put food on it, and then they use a knife like that. Cutting board. You are holding a cutting board. Game over. That was fun. Did you do well? What was your score out of 10? That's great. What country do you live in? Fantastic. My name is Vinny. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.